Hey, what is going on, guys? It is here. I hope that you're doing well, and today I'm going to show you how you can earn your first online commission with affiliate marketing. That being said, guys, I'm going to show you this website. This is muncheye.com, and what I like about this website is that you can find products to promote that are going to launch in the future. For example, we have here, this is a high ticket product, the wholesale formula. The front end price is $2,997 and the commission is 50%. So if you want to promote this product, the only thing you need to do is you need to click here on the JB page and read the information about this product. And if you want to promote this, you need to click here to become a TWF affiliate and fill the information so this company can give you your affiliate link. So that being said, guys, when you have your affiliate link, you need to create a landing page, and for that you can use software. The name is GetResponse, and I'm going to show you later a process that you can use. But if you are wondering how are you going to get traffic to your affiliate link, you can use YouTube. For example, if you put wholesale formula on Amazon, you can see we have here all of these reviews about this product, Amazon wholesale and FBA in 2021 step by step, the wholesale formula. We have here the second video about the wholesale formula course. Here is what I think, and you can watch this video and model the information so you can upload a video about this product so you can get traffic to your affiliate link. Now, if you want to promote something like ClickBank, so this is the marketplace. For example, you have here a lot of categories that you can use, and if I click here on e-business and e-marketing, you're going to see that we have a variety of products on this category. And for example, if we choose the first product, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, the only thing that you need to do is you need to click here on promote, and you're going to be able to generate the hub link, and this is the link that you need to promote, but you need to do it with the right way that I'm going to show you right now, guys. You need to build a landing page like this. I'm going to click here so you can see. I'm going to edit this page. So I made this landing page for the product so you can see, guys. You can use GetResponse to build something like this. So this is the hook: online social media jobs that pays $25 to $50 per hour. And when people put their name and their email address here, they are going to redirect to this thank you page. And if they click here, they are going to go to my offer. So this link, when people click that, they are going to redirect to this page, guys. So that being said, guys, I'm going to click here on next step. Then what you need to do is choose a name for your landing page, and you need to choose also the list. So I create a social media jobs list for this product, and then you need to publish, right? And when you have this link, so this is the link that you're going to promote, guys. Now, how are you going to get traffic to this link? For example, you can use TikTok for affiliate marketing, right? Also, you can use YouTube to promote your affiliate link. And the most important thing is that you need to create your list so you can do the follow-up with your subscribers. Now, where are you going to find the emails that you are going to send to your subscribers? So this product has these affiliate resources, and if I scroll down, you're going to see that we have 10 emails that we can send, and if someone buys through that link, we are going to earn a commission. So this is the best way, guys. If you want to build your affiliate marketing business, you need to build your email list. That is the most important thing that you need to start doing with this business model. That being said, guys, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video if you want to get access to a training that is going to show you how you can build a solid foundation with this business model. So if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.